there is a big alarm bell on Ethereum right at the doorbell. Now get ready for this. Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today I have an amazing update prepared for you. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell, because every single day I give you the best Bitcoin update without any exception. So grab a drink, like me, I have black tea here, leave a like, and let's get started. First of all, yesterday night there was huge panic because billions of dollars of Bitcoins have been moved. Quickly for everyone who's new here, there was a massive cryptocurrency exchange which has been the biggest 10 years ago. The name was Gox. They had a huge exploit and thousands of Bitcoins have been stolen. Back then, they were worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Now they are worth billions. And yesterday, in a long time, a big chunk has been moved, which right now is around 7 billion to 9 billion confirmed on the blockchain. Now, here's the thing. This has been already clear since January. Right now, they're getting prepared to pay back some of those creditors of the Bitcoins which have been stolen. And also, as per their official statement, they will not sell right now, but they will sell towards the summer or maybe towards the end of this year when the election comes on. So right now, in my opinion, there's nothing to worry about, but this is the perfect example how fast fear and doubt is spreading, way faster than greed. The market never moves based on what actually will happen. The market only moves on what people expect or fear that will happen. Let's get to Bitcoin. Everything which I anticipated 2 days ago exactly happened how I said it. Number one, we liquidated all of those premature long positions right here. And we also liquidated all those people right here, and we had a wedge retest here. As you know, on the weekend, on Saturday, if we zoom in right now, we had number one, a breakout of the wedge. We had a very, very weak breakout. Then we came back in, confirmed fake out, then a second breakout attempt, and since then, just sideways. If we look at the volume profile, we can clearly see that number one, the volume on the second breakout has been way less here. You can see here, first breakout, decent, second breakout, way weaker, also bearish volume. And since then, the volume has been going down. And that's also why we could not maintain this upward breakout here. But essentially, we broke down, we liquidated number one, number two, exactly how we said it. Now get ready. After liquidating all those premature long positions right here and right here, we had a massive pump to the upside driven by open interest addition. Now these here are essentially all futures position, not spot positions, which have been opened, which mostly caused this pump up here. We busted through the first resistance zone and got a rejection up here on our second. Also, we had right here a shooting star, just like based on our pattern sheet right here, which by the way you can get for free in the Discord with all the best patterns, which happen all the time on Bitcoin. And then what happens? Price goes down. And exactly what I anticipated happened. We had here a fake out from the wedge trend line and also the bull flag trend line, fake out, liquidity grab, and now we are above it. So right now we are at a very critical stage. And now get ready for this. Right now, we had a candle closed on the 4 hour inside above our bull flag trend line. So what this means, number one, the fake out has been confirmed and the old wedge has been invalidated. So right now, if you have a look at this, we have a new pattern forming, which essentially is a bigger wedge. Our new bottom bounces 1, 2, 3. And on the top also, we have lower highs. Now get ready for this. We have two targets. The first target, funnily enough, exactly, is almost the exact same target, which again would liquidate lots of long positions right here in the $74,500 range, right up here. However, the downward target right here on the bottom side would be, interestingly enough, a perfect retest here of those two resistance zones, which we have laying right here and right here. And if we look at right now, the liquidation heat map, you can see something very crazy. In the short term, we have above us liquidity and below us. This is both very, very near and not really relevant. However, if we zoom out right now, we can see that above us, the volume and liquidity has been getting less and less. Before that, we had lots of yellow here. So right now, there's less to grab actually here. On the counter side, we have more here. If we zoom out even more, above us is a lot less now. And below us, again, is more. Also, if we zoom in right here, this price target of our new wedge, which we just confirmed, is actually also right here on the retest area. We still have two big lines, even a third one right here. So all of this would be in our target. And this here also would be easy target to just quickly wick out here and then liquidate all those longs. So the downside risk is we continue to bounce right here towards the upside, get a rejection on the top trend line, just like we got here, and then break out, maybe even retest here, boom, and then reach our target. This would be a bearish scenario, or potentially we could also get a bounce here on the golden pocket Fibonacci right here. This would be an earlier bounce like this, here, bounce, and then maybe here, bounce, and then liquidate longs. Or, like I said here, if we get another lower high, then this could be here a lower low. and then sadly we are in a bearish structure, and then purely based on technicals, this will be the first target and this will be the second target right here. All right, let's clean up again. Right now I would not do anything until either we get a clear rejection here, then you can trade to the downside, or we get a breakout and then retest like this, or if we get a breakout like this and then retest like this. For right now, all of this here is possible, and we have to be prepared and ready for a breakout or retest. The retest is always safer because Bitcoin loves to fake out. However, if you want to be extra safe, you could zoom down on the 5-minute chart or 50-minute chart, enter the breakouts like this. I made a video like this, how you perfectly can capture all the breakouts. I will link it for you also right here. If you want to be prepared for the next few breakouts, watch this video here. It's 45 minutes. After this, you will completely understand breakouts like no one else. And also, support resistance, really, really important. Also, actually made a playlist for you right here, which you can watch. There are 2 videos right now, more to come, and also the beginner series right here. Next, there is a big alarm bell on Ethereum right at the doorbell. Exactly what I said last time, what I anticipated, happened. Right now, as I said, until the S1 file gets approved, new long positions have been accumulated. Now we can see right here below us, we have lots of premature longs, which are just basically brand new baby seeds which have been planted. Above us is not so much left. Below us is a minefield of juicy liquidity. And this is also exactly what I anticipated, that more and more people will become greedy, wanting to go long now before the S1 file gets approved. And this, in my opinion, is easy prey target. If we zoom out even more on the, for example, monthly chart. Now, in my last few videos, I said that one of the worst case scenarios would be 3,400, which is right here. However, right now, I see this actually less likely. Why? Because market makers no longer have to go so low to get all this money, because now we have new capital right below us. Now this all is fresh money which have been opened. And also, we will still maintain our sideways channel in this range. So this here, in my opinion, is very easy prey for the market makers to liquidate until then finally we shoot up on top. Right now here above us is not so much to take, but below us right here are so many brand new longs which have been just opened recently in the last few hours, in the last 2 days. So again, this is easy target, easy prey, and in my opinion, we will most likely take out all those traders, or maybe some of them, until again, we accumulate more shorts above, and then again, we bounce here, here, or here, or here, or worst case here below, and then again, we liquidate all those shorts here above until we get some bullish news. It is always a cat and mouse game. The Bitcoin ETF inflows have been amazing in the last 10 days, so in my opinion, if this continues, this will be very good to stabilize the Bitcoin price and to finally find support on some of those levels which I showed you, to then finally hit our bullish take profit target. If you enjoy these quick updates, leave a like, leave a comment. I want to say once again, thank you for your insane support recently. Everyone who's been liking these videos, commenting the videos. My goal with these videos is not just to make update videos every single day, but also to step by step increase your awareness for all the different things in the market, so you are a better trader and you can make better decisions every single day. Thanks again. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.